wind warning!
High wind warning in effect from 10 a.m. Saturday to midnight Saturday night.
Ooh.
National Weather Service in Burlington has issued high wind warning, which is in effect from 10 a.m. Saturday to midnight Saturday night. Locations: the St. Lawrence Valley of New York. Hazards: strong damaging winds. Winds southwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Timing:
Did you just
southwest
hear
winds will
that?
steadily increase Saturday morning,
Oh, I've got a high wind
peaking during
warning.
the midday to early evening hours, before slowly diminishing Saturday night.
No, right now.
Impacts: damage to
Not
trees
for
and
us, for the
power
St. Lawrence
lines is
Valley.
likely, with potential scattered to widespread power outages. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage.
Okay.
Please stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, your local media, or go to www.weather.gov/Burlington for further updates on this weather situation. The National
That's it.